Hey guys, what's up? Just a really quick video. So to mention you guys a tweak called Key Plus. It's an awesome keyboard tweak. One of the best keyboard tweaks I've actually seen in quite some time. So this is inside the package repo. So you guys want to add this repo right here. Once you guys add that repo, you go into it or just search up the tweak. It's called KEW and then Key Plus. Now with the plus sign, and here's right here, guys. It does cost 50 cents. Like, come on, it's 50 cents. Not that much money at all. So you can see right here, action bar with useful edit and action, including copy, paste, and cut. You also can go like back with your, with the typing, your emoji bar for your emojis, swiping alternative keys, which can be customizable in a few seconds. Swiping alternative keys work on almost all language keyboards, unlike other swiping key tweets, or with iOS swiping, typing without any conflicts. So pretty cool. Supports iOS 13 to 14.5. So I'm gonna show you guys this tweak right here. All right, so web settings, we're going to scroll all the way down to the tweak section, HIJK, Key Plus. Here's right here, guys. You guys can actually customize it to your liking. You have emoji bar enabled, pasteboard bar. So pasteboard items count. We just do like up to 30 or whatever. Okay. And then we have action bar. Customize the action bar. So you guys can customize it. So I like undo and redo. It's how you like it, guys. I mean, cut, copy. I don't care about the emoji bar too much. Select the word. Yeah. So however you guys like it. Select all. Alright, and then copy, whatever. So, and then we go back. Swiping keys. Use present swiping key. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, customize, and you customize the keys. Okay, so now we are ready to test out the tweak. I'm just going to actually go over to here and then show you guys. So you see in the bottom, this is the keyboard. So we have back, forward. So we go back, let's go forward. So you see right there, that's the back and forward option. Pretty cool. You can also shake your device to get the undo or redo type in. So I'm just going to show you. Okay, cause I'm not in, that's why. I'm in Cydia. I'm not in like a regular app. That's why it doesn't come up. When you guys shake your device, it should come up to, I think, undo or redo type in. So it's also you can get that feature as well. You select here, and then you guys can copy it. And then we can cut it. We can, see if I can, it's not letting me swipe. Hold on. Can we paste it? Yeah, it should allow me to swipe on the keyboard. So let me go to messages. Give me one sec. Let's actually go to, let's try the App Store. There we go. Now I can swipe. You can see I can swipe. And I have additional features. So you see, pasting it. And this brings it out just like that. You go back to it. You have your emojis right here. Alright, and then we can select the text. So let's do this. We can select it. Or this one selects all. So let's do this. We have this, space this. One selects one, and the other one selects all. And then we can copy it. Alright, and then we can go over here and paste that bad boy. Oops. Paste it. So, paste. Oops. Paste. So pretty cool. My favorite feature is probably the forward and back. You keep going forward and back, so I think that's pretty cool. So let me go forward, here. So pretty cool, guys. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.